feature that allows businesses to create and manage price estimates for potential sales. This tool is particularly useful for businesses that need to provide customers with an itemized cost breakdown before finalizing a sale. Here's a detailed overview of how quotations work within Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Shashme 1. Creating a quotation. Customization. You can customize your quotations with your business logo, contact information, and terms. This ensures that your documents are professional and aligned with your brand. Itemized listing. When creating a quotation, you can add products or services directly from your inventory or service list. Each line item can include a description, quantity, unit price, and total cost. Taxes and discounts. Sage allows you to apply taxes and discounts to individual items or the entire quotation. This flexibility helps in accurately representing the cost to the customer. 2. Managing quotations. Quotation tracking. Once a quotation is created, it can be tracked through its various stages, from being sent to a customer to acceptance or rejection. This tracking helps in managing sales leads effectively. Conversion to invoice. If a customer accepts a quotation, it can be easily converted into an invoice with just a few clicks. This reduces the time and effort needed to re-enter data and ensures consistency between the quotation and the final bill. Status updates. Quotations in Sage Business Cloud Accounting can be marked as sent, accepted, rejected, or expired. This status management allows for better organization and follow-up on potential sales. 3. Integration with other modules. Inventory management. Quotations are integrated with the inventory management system, ensuring that the quoted items are checked against available stock. This feature helps prevent overpromising and under-delivering. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. Quotations are linked to customer records, making it easy to access customer history, preferences, and previous quotations. This integration enhances the ability to provide personalized service. Shop 4. Reporting and analysis. Sage Business Cloud Accounting provides reports that analyze quotations by various criteria, such as by customer, status, or date. These reports help businesses understand their sales pipeline and conversion rates. Profit margin analysis. The software can analyze the profitability of quotations by calculating the cost of goods sold versus the quoted price, giving businesses insight into their pricing strategies. 5. Online and mobile access. Cloud accessibility. Being a cloud-based solution, Sage Business Cloud Accounting allows users to create and manage quotations from any device with an internet connection. This is especially useful for businesses with mobile sales teams. Customer portal. Customers can access their quotations through an online portal where they can review, accept, or request changes. This feature enhances customer interaction and speeds up the approval process. 6. Compliance and security. Regulatory compliance. Sage ensures that quotations are compliant with local tax regulations, which can vary depending on the region. This feature helps businesses avoid legal issues related to tax reporting. Data security. Quotations and other sensitive data are protected by Sage's robust security protocols, ensuring that customer information is safe from unauthorized access. Conclusion. Quotations in Sage Business Cloud Accounting are a powerful tool for businesses to manage their sales process efficiently. They streamline the process from providing initial estimates to finalizing sales, all while maintaining a professional appearance and ensuring data accuracy. By integrating quotations with other aspects of the business, Sage helps companies manage their operations more effectively, leading to better customer satisfaction and increased sales conversion rates.